How to pack for college. People talk about packing for college as though it were a major life event, like getting married. It's not. Here are some tips on how to put objects in boxes. You will need possessions and boxes to put them in. Step 1. Find out what items you're not allowed to bring. Your college probably lists these restrictions online. Step 2. Contact your future roommate to discuss what each of you is bringing. Some objects you only need one of. Step 3. Start with the basics. Bedding of the proper size, a towel, toiletries. Don't go overboard. You will be capable of purchasing objects once you leave home. Dorm rooms often have unusual bed sizes like twin extra long. Don't buy sheets until you know what will fit. Step 4. Don't pack every bit of clothing you own. You'll probably go home for fall or winter break, so you can pick up what you need then. Going to college is a unique opportunity to change your identity. Pack accordingly. Sometimes it's better to be without an object than to have something that's embarrassing. Step 5. Consult a packing list to remind yourself what else to bring. Your school probably sent you a list, and there are plenty online. Step 6. Pack as few heavy objects as possible. You'll be carrying around everything you bring for the next 4 years. Don't bring more than a few books from home. You won't have the time to read them, and books are very heavy. Step 7. Load up your stuff and get going. If you're shipping boxes, call the admissions office to find out exactly where and when you'll be able to pick them up. Did you know? In 2004, a homeless NYU sophomore spent 8 months sleeping overnight in the basement of the campus library.